let this be a normal field trip? With a friend? No way!
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good. Next thing that you know, you see it. Octopus in the neighborhood, surfing on a sine wave, swinging through the stars. Take a left at Joe and Teston, take your second right past Mars on the magic school bus. Alligator nostril, climb on the magic school bus. Spank a plankton too, on our magic school bus. Drop the river of lava on magic school bus. Such a fine thing to do. So strap your bums right to the seat. Come on in and don't be shy. Just to make your day complete. You might get baked into a pie on the magic school bus. Step inside, it's a wild ride. Come on, ride on the magic school bus.
It's a vintage school bus. Alright class, now it's time to go into our test subject, Kevin's mouth. Here we go!
Wow!
Now class, we're going through Kevin's mouth to his lungs now.
Wow, look at all these germs.
I know.
Hey!
Now class, if you may notice, we are passing through the epiglottis here. The epiglottis is a fold of skin that closes over the trachea when we swallow. We are now in the lane to go down to the trachea to the lungs. The other lane over there is called the esophagus, which where food goes. We're in the lane where air goes now.
That's pretty neat. I never knew about that.
Yeah. Kevin's mouth is surely very interesting.
It is.
Oh
He
God.
needs to brush his teeth more.
I know.
Stop it, I can hear you guys.
Now class, we are passing through the larynx.
Oh, we learned about that in class.
Yeah, what can you tell me about it?
Oh, it's called the voice box, correct? And it's involved in protecting the trachea. It also holds vocal cords, right?
Correct.
And it's situated just below where the tract of the pharynx splits off the trachea and the esophagus.
Very good, Albanov. You paid attention in class.
Of course.
Now class, we have entered the trachea and are now going to the two bronchi which branch off to the left and right lungs. Let's take the
I
left
see
path.
both of them. Okay, yeah.
Let's take the left path, shall we?
That looks pretty cool.
We are now traveling through the left bronchi, going into the left lung. After the bronchi, it branches off into bronchioles, which go to different parts of the lungs and meet at the alveoli.
I think I see some bronchioles up ahead.
Yeah, you can see, we can make turn-offs left and right and whatnot. There's a turn-off right here, but let's continue to go straight. There's some more bronchioles down up ahead.
Alright.
Let's go ahead and take the bronchiole up on the left over here.
Let's do it.
The bronchiole is going to branch off into alveoli soon. Alright now class, we've arrived at the alveoli. Let's go ahead and take a closer look.
Let's go.
Now class, we observe oxygen as he goes into the alveoli to get ready for gas exchange. Once in the alveoli, he then travels across the membrane through the capillaries into the bloodstream. Once in the bloodstream, the heme group in hemoglobin comes in, picks up the oxygen, and carries him through the bloodstream. Oxygen is now being carried by the heme group in the hemoglobin to the cells for cellular respiration. Once at the cells and used for cellular respiration, a byproduct carbon dioxide is created. It is then picked up by the hemoglobin with the help of bicarbonate and brought back to the alveoli for gas exchange. Once at the alveoli, the carbon dioxide is passed through the capillaries back into the lung and is exhaled. Now class, we'll be learning about how the diaphragm and ribs aid in the process of breathing. So Abhinav, do you remember how the diaphragm and ribs help during inhalation?
Yes, I remember that when Kevin inhales, what happens is that the diaphragm contracts and the chest expands due to the structure of the ribs. This causes a negative pressure within Kevin's chest and causes air to rush in. And then, upon exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes. This decreases the size of the chest and therefore, due to the nature of air pressure, causes air to rush out.
Alright class, now that we've finished exploring the lungs, let's go back at it the way we came from Kevin.
Here we go. And we're out. Nice driving.
Well class, thanks for taking a ride with us down at Kevin's respiratory system, looking at his lungs, the alveoli, and the rest of the parts. Next time on the Magic School Bus, we'll be dissecting Kevin's brain. We'll see you then.
No, wait, what? No!
Jesus.
We got some Jesus in there.
Some Jesus.